Okay, guys, so maybe you're thinking that getting back with the one you love is not possible, it's not for you. Because you have tried. You have tried the no contact, you have tried the accountability letter, you have tried to communicate with your ex, to make them open their eyes, and nothing has worked. So you're kind of blocked. You're talking to a wall, someone that is disconnecting to their emotions, and you don't know what to do. So let me tell you guys, I'm not doing this video by pleasure because I would love to tell you something different, but this is the reality of the people I've coached. And I've coached more than 100,000 people from all over the world. If you want to get your ex back, you need to regain control. You need to show them what they are losing. You need to show them that their life will be not as good as if you were there, if you were with them. So this is what I call the balance of power. And I want to teach you exactly how to reverse the situation. I want to teach you how to make your ex miss you, how to make your ex think that they have made a bad decision, how to make your ex respect you more, because it is possible. The only one thing is that you have to change your mindset. You have to change your attitude. You have to change the way you consider the situation and the way you talk to yourself as well. So my goal is to tell you that when you will be able to apply some tips that I prepared for you, your ex will reconsider their decision. Your ex will understand that you have changed, will understand that they can be happy with you, but also that they have to respect the way you have changed, the way you act for yourself and for a new and better love life. So I'm here today just because I want to tell you that I want to invite you for a very special masterclass. I will talk about neuroscience, balance of power, how to play the push and pull so your ex would just be crazy about you. It's a free event. You just have to register. It's in the description. You grab your free seat and I will see you because this event is just unique. So it will be Wednesday at 1 p.m. Wednesday at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. That is the moment that we will just work together on getting back with the one you love, even when it seems that it's not possible. Even when it seems that it's a lost cause, you will find out that there is words, attitude, behaviors that can really make your ex listen to you again, unblock you. And of course, they will feel the same love as when you first met. So make sure to grab your seat just right below in the description box. Don't stay negative. Don't continue to do the same mistake. Come and watch me live on Wednesday, 1 p.m. Eastern Time. I will see you soon, guys.